On September 20th, 2025, Tour East Singapore came together with employees, families, suppliers, and partners at Bollywood Farms for a day of wellness, bonding, and sustainability. Our theme, Let's Grow Green, Get Fit, and Go Far Together. A journey to preserve nature, heritage, and health through inclusive fitness and community spirit. The morning began with warm smiles at green greetings and check-in. While waiting, everyone enjoyed a uniquely Singaporean treat, kopi and kueh, setting the tone for togetherness. Our managing director and general manager, Mr. K. Sato, officially opened the event with inspiring words. Under his leadership, Tour East became the first tour operator in Singapore to achieve GSTC certification, a true reflection of our dedication to sustainability and service excellence. Guest speaker Ken Ko, CEO of Nanyang Sauce, shared his incredible journey of reviving his family's heritage business, preserving tradition while innovating for the future. Next, Lynn, the heart of Bollywood Farms, inspired us with her story of farming, culture, and resilience. A reminder that heritage and sustainability can grow hand in hand. To energize the day, Jason Kalina and his fitness team led us in a fun workout, proving that movement nourishes both body and mind. Wellness begins with one step together. Then came the heart of our CSR Day, sustainability activities. Some participants nurtured life by potting pandan and potato plants, while others built creative scarecrows from recycled materials. Both activities symbolized growth, resilience, and teamwork. As the day drew to a close, Mr. Dennis Law expressed gratitude to all participants and partners, highlighting the importance of collaboration for a greener tomorrow. A surprise highlight, the Most Creative Scarecrow Award. Group 2 stole the show with their Japanese-inspired creation, showcasing passion and teamwork. No event is complete without good food. A sustainable lunch, harvested fresh from Bollywood Farms, was the perfect way to close the day, nourishing our bodies and our bonds. This day was more than an event. It was a movement, a celebration of sustainability, culture, wellness, and inclusion. Together we planted seeds of change, strengthened bonds, and created memories that will last a lifetime.